Get ready to experience the future of drone flying with the new A21 PRO Professional Drone. This innovative FPV, first-person view, quadcopter boasts a striking UFO shape with an all-around anti-collision design, making it both visually appealing and incredibly durable. Equipped with an impressive 8K HD dual camera, powerful brushless motors, and a suite of intelligent flight features, the A21 Pro is designed to deliver a professional-grade aerial photography experience for enthusiasts and beginners alike. Stunning 8K HD dual cameras and immersive FPV. The A21 Pro truly shines with its high-definition imaging capabilities. It features an 8K lens that promises incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos from above. The camera offers a versatile 180 degrees electric adjustment, allowing you to remotely fine-tune your shot angle during flight for optimal framing. For an immersive real-time experience, the drone supports 5.8G high-speed Wi-Fi image transmission, ensuring a high transmission rate, long transmission distance, and strong anti-interference ability. This means you get a clear, stable FPV feed directly to your mobile phone, transforming your flight into a captivating visual journey. Powerful brushless motor and extended range. At the heart of the A21 Pro's performance is its 7000 kV 1104 brushless motor configuration. Brushless motors are renowned for their superior power, greater efficiency, and significantly longer durability compared to traditional motors. This robust motor provides strong wind resistance and high stability, ensuring smooth and reliable flight even in challenging conditions. The drone boasts an impressive remote control flight distance of 5,000 meters, 5 kilometers in interference-free environments, giving you vast range for exploration. Powered by a 3.7V 1000 mAh human body battery, it offers a generous single battery life of about 25 minutes, with a charging time of 60 to 90 minutes. Stable flight and all-around anti-collision design. The A21 Pro is engineered for stable and safe flight. Its optical flow hovering system utilizes a bottom optical flow lens to achieve precise fixed-point hovering, making the flight more stable, especially indoors. The drone's unique FPV drone shape features a new all-around design with a compact body that provides inherent anti-collision protection, safeguarding the drone from accidental bumps and knocks. This design, combined with its lightweight 120G single machine takeoff weight, enhances its durability and ease of handling. Ergonomic control and intelligent flight modes. The remote control for the A21 Pro features a rubber coating integrated handle, providing a comfortable grip and a stronger operational feeling. It includes an integrated FPV joystick, enhancing the immersive control experience. The drone supports a variety of intelligent flight modes to simplify operation and add fun. Stunt flower flight 360 degrees roll. Enjoy performing exciting aerial acrobatics. Headless mode. No need to distinguish the direction of the drone, making it easy for novices to fly. Orbital flight. The drone will intelligently control its flight according to specified waypoints, allowing for pre-planned routes. Mobile phone control provides an alternative control method via a dedicated application. One-click takeoff and landing simplifies the most challenging aspects of drone operation for beginners. Compact, portable and complete package. The A21 Pro features a compact product size of 18 by 15.5 by 4.7 centimeters, making it highly portable. The entire set weighs for 80 grams and comes in a convenient storage handbag, ensuring you can easily take it to your next flying adventure. The new A21 PRO Professional Drone offers an impressive blend of high-resolution 8K camera capabilities, powerful brushless motors, extensive flight range, and intelligent flight features, all within a durable and user-friendly FPV design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a capable and exciting drone for aerial photography and immersive flight experiences. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tutorials, and comparisons.